Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Phonebook. The software Phonebook is designed using the programming language VB.NET and the SQL Server is used as the database. The main objective of the software Phonebook is to store the contact details of various people. This software stores all the details of the people such as their name, their email address and their photo details along with the contact number. Mainly it is designed to store the contact number of the people. Along with that it also takes their name, their email address and their image also. The Phonebook software allows the user to change the contact details of the people, and also we can anytime delete the records of the Phonebook. In the Phonebook software, we can also set the reminders if there are any occasions need to be remembered. Now let us open the Phonebook. On opening the Phonebook, various menus are available to view by clicking on Create. Here the new contact can be added by entering the contact number, entering the phone number and clicking on Add New Contact. Under the contact page, name of the person to whom the phone number belongs must be entered and the email ID of the person is also required, as well as the photo of the customer can be added. By clicking on browse, the photo can be added. So once the record is added, it must be saved and it will be saved to the database and we can view it by clicking on the data. Any changes to the data can be made. Once the change is done, by clicking on update, it will be updated to the database. And in the contact page also, the new contact can be created by entering the name, phone number, email ID and the photo. So in the contact page as well as from the create page also we can add the new contacts. By clicking on save, the details will be saved, and here the contacts can also be deleted by selecting the contact, and by clicking on the delete button the contact can be deleted permanently. Under search, the different contacts can be searched either by name or phone number. When searching by name, the name must be entered, and if there is any contact of that particular name, that will be available to view. And on searching through phone number, in the phone number field the number must be entered, and if there is any contact with the phone number, that will be available to view. Under reminder, if there are any occasions to be remembered, then that can be added here with the name as well as the name of the occasion must be, that is what is the reminder or which is the occasion, and the label in which the date also must be added. By clicking on save, the reminder will be saved. Now let us close the Phonebook. On the day of the reminder date, if you are opening the Phonebook, then we can view the reminder on the screen. So we can see that here today we have opened the Phonebook and we can see the reminder. So now let us close the Phonebook.